Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to forward ports on a Verizon router or a Verizon modem slash router. As a networking student, you kind of realize that it's not just a router. Um, okay, so first open your browser and you type in your local IP address. And today I'm going to forward ports for Arma 3, just as an example. I'll make it quick and short. I don't want to bore you guys, so type in your local IP of the router, 192.168.1.1. You can get your name and password it's either the default, which is usually admin, and the password 123456, which I think that might be the default. But anyways, once you get in there, you want to click advanced, hit yes, then go to port forwarding rules. Okay, now we're here, and for Arma, they want us to port forward the ports from 2303 to 2305. These are all the other protocols, the well-known ports. Now we're going to go here. See this where it says add? This little yellow thing. Alright, now we're going to name it something. I'm going to port forward for the game Armed Assault 3. So Arma 3. So Armed Assault. I'll name it. No, I'll name it. Fuck it. Arma. Alright, you don't need a description. Add server ports. Okay, so now you want the protocol to be either TCP or UDP. Games usually use UDP, but I like to do TCP as well. Alright, so first one I'm going to do TCP. Say they want you to forward whatever port you want, like whatever game it is. They want you to forward 2303. So you want the source port to be anything. The destination port, you click single, and you put 2303. Or let's do 2302 first. Okay, apply. Now we have that. Now we're going to keep rinse and repeat the same process for both TCP and UDP for every port that we want. So now we're going to add the UDP version of whatever we just did, 2302. I won't get into ports and UDP and different protocols. That is for if you're curious, but regardless, for the basic user, you just need to know this stuff. Let's do 2303 as well. Actually, you know what? Since we showed one explanation here, we're just going to keep it that. Okay, so now once you've done that, you apply it, and you'll see it within the port forwarding rules here. But we're not done. This is step 1 out of 2. Step 2, we're going to firewall settings. Well, let's make sure that's closing. Okay, firewall settings. Yes, I'm going to proceed. On the left, you'll see port forwarding. Okay, now you have to choose the IP address of the computer, the local IP of the computer that you want this to forward to. So your computer. And to find that out, you will open CMD, go to, I'll show you, start, run, command prompt, CMD, enter. Now you do ipconfig all. Now on the top, you'll see 192.168.1.10. That's me. That's my preferred IPv4 address. So now here, well, you can either find your computer name or do it by IP, but I just like to double check in case I reformat it and it takes different computers. But so Chris PC 192.168.1.10. That's me. I want it to forward to that. And you'll see the rule that you made. Here I made Arma. Okay. And it shows you the ports that you've done for Arma. 2302 to TCP and UDP 2302. So now we want to add that. And I have tested this. It does work. I've done troubleshooting with it. It's going to say I added it unresolved, whatever, apply, refresh, whatever. Okay, now it's active. So now any game that has a destination port or sends packets with a destination port of 2302 will be routed to this PC. Okay, now we're good. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And alright, that's it. Good luck.